Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. Today we have a 2016 Honda Civic in our shop. Um, it has a engine light on, and the code that it has when we scanned it, it has a code for, it's repeating itself, but it has a code for EVAP system very small leak detected. This is vapors in the gas tank that escape somewhere. So the system, the onboard system of the vehicle records that data, and if it repeats itself, then it puts up an engine light, and then has to be scanned to figure out what that engine light is for. So in this case, it's for EVAP leak. So there's a small leak in the EVAP system. So what we need to do for this, we need to do a smoke test, because you cannot see the vapors with your eyes, you can only smell it. So what we do, basically we have to smoke test it. There's this machine here that puts up smoke in the system, comes through this line, and basically you have to connect it to the vapor lines that go to the gas tank from here, and allows the fumes to go through and fill up the gas tank and all the system with smoke. So this smoke is harmless. It just provides a visual to see where this leak is occurring. So what we did, so what you have to do in that case, before you put the smoke machine on, you have to have a scanner that's capable of turning off the vent valve. So go to special functions, go to active tests, go to EVAP test, go to single solenoid test, and then we'll go to canister vent solenoid. We'll turn that on. Canister vent solenoid, we can turn that on. So press that, and canister vent solenoid is on. So what that does, it closes the valve at the back, so it prevents the fumes from escaping, so it allows the system to be pressurized. So that's what we'll do. We'll connect that here. We'll turn on the machine, and we'll connect the air to the machine here. So we've connected the air into the system. Now we'll go check to see if there's any leak. So what you want to check, obviously the gas cap first, make sure you didn't leave it loose, make sure the gasket is okay, and then the other stuff you have to check basically from top to bottom, all the lines, all the switches, anywhere that EVAP system is going. So what we found here is basically we have to take the seat off. We couldn't find the leak anywhere else. We have took the seat off to go right to the gas tank. This gas tank lid, there's a lid here. So when you open that up, what we found is that there is a lot of wet marks around on top of the fuel pump, and there's a lot of rust there. So that rust contributes to the leak. See, there's a lot of rust there. So what you need to do is get yourself a spray of soap and water. Just mix any soap and water, and then you just spray it on there, and basically look for a visual bubbling leak that will occur. So let me do that now. And there you have it. There's a leak right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can actually hear it, and also you can see the leak right there where I'm spraying. It's bubbling out. So that there confirms that there's a leak here, right there. So what we need to do in this case, we have to take that fuel pump out, change that rusted ring around it that holds the fuel pump in place, and change the seal, inspect the gas tank, and then we go from there. But most likely the seal, the fuel pump, and the locking ring that it's called, that rusted round ring that goes around it, those three needs to be replaced most likely. But once we have it apart, We'll inspect it further and see, but this is where the leak is coming from. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.